Meet the new FAMAG Drill and Countersink Set. For excellent results when working with hardwood. The set includes a depth stop, countersink, and pre-drill. The depth stop rotates smoothly on a high-quality ball bearing, so it stops exactly where it should, without leaving marks on your wood. Made from lightweight, rust-resistant aluminum. The HSS twist drill with pre-cutters and center point delivers precise, clean holes, and you can replace it individually whenever you need. Large chip flutes guarantee efficient chip removal. The carbide-tipped countersink holds the drill perfectly centered with 2 clamping screws. For smooth running and perfect results, even with smaller bits. Available in 3, 4, and 5 mm. Flexible for different screw sizes. A built-in depth scale makes it easy to set your countersink depth just right, especially handy for decking. With precise adjustment and a 60-degree angle, you'll get professional results with hardly any effort. The FAMAG Drill and Countersink Set. Smart design. Perfect results. Every time.